Virtual Reinspection, Cynthia Duraswamy. It's going to be our front slope here. You can see we've got widespread wind damage throughout the whole slope. There's some hail damage on here too. Hail damage looks a little older. Going to find 25 wind, 11 hail. Back slope. Metals are relatively clean. Try that again. Doesn't really support the roof. Not seeing it. Back gonna be 16 plus wind. Focus closer to the ridge line. Over here we had a lot of mechanical damage from the installers, so this isn't going to be anything insurance related. More mechanical damage, bunch of tools being dropped all the way through the shingles, maybe hail on those. It's gonna be our other front slope. We got 6. No hail damage over here. Kind of strange. Nothing here, a lot there. Left side gonna have 7 wind, maybe a couple of impacts, mostly granular loss. So overall 6, 7, 25, 16, and 2, plus our lower elevation has like 3 or 4. So widespread damage everywhere. Gonna recommend full replacement. Attempt to repair Cynthia Duraswamy. Today is 9/16/2024. It is 78 degrees Fahrenheit outside. This is our work area. Our damaged shingle is here. Are they all unsealed? Holy cow. Okay. Nope. That one's blown through already. Yeah. No. Every one of these nails are going to blow through. Come on, get there. Being super gentle. Nope, that one's blowing through. Barely any pressure on that either. See, that shingle's tearing, so I'm just gonna pop them through the back. No? That nail's through. Okay, old shingle is out. First, we have material all blown into the mastic strip. Secondly, you can see the shingles are literally tearing as we're trying to. You can see it's tearing chunks of the shingle above it. All the nails are pulling through the shingle. Right here, right here. That one came out. And also, you can see the fiberglass from the shingle above because the adhesive strip is super glued. And every time we separate these shingles, it's tearing the shingle above it. For example, look, You see the fiberglass that's exposed? That is never going to ever reseal, and the function of the sealant strip has now been disturbed. Additionally, while I'm here, this shingle is going to be unidentified. It's going to be 25-year, probably not discontinued. This is probably a current shingle. You can see current size is not lining up. I'm going to space them like this for now, because I think this is going to be a straightforward approval, so I'm not too worried about it. In there. Might be a nail. Repair test is complete. As you can see, shingles are not compatible with any modern day products. You can see the shingles are all creasing. On the back side, you can see the shingles are all tearing the adhesive of the shingle above it, every single shingle. So I'm going to call this fail due to material transfer, non-compatible materials, nails pulling through the back, shingles creasing, tearing off, and granular loss. Attempt to repair, fail.